Okay, now when I refer to shop lights, these are a 4-foot shop light that you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's or even Walmart, anywheres. And what you do is you rewire them for these LED bulbs. Now, if you can see this, that LED bulb is 6500K and 22 watts. Here's something else you can do. If you want reflectiveness around your lights, you can get these 10 packs of these. They run like $10. If you buy them one at a time or that, they really soak you. Anyway, they're good to have around. You can use them for anything you want. This one here, they come all folded up. You can see that there's my hand. That's how big these packets are. They're pretty small. But this thing takes and comes out. You can see there, it's 52 inches by 84 inches. So let me just take and bring this out and unfold it for you. Okay, there it is. I just paper clipped it up there on the edge of that light, but you can see that that will help reflect light. You can even use this on glass, and to get it to stick to glass, you can use a couple different tricks. One is soapy water and another is hairspray, and it'll help stick that to your glass. So keep that in mind when you're looking at lighting. Now, if you're just doing these leafy greens, these shop lights work great. When you get into this fruit-bearing plants, you might need to use grow lights. When you do that, you're having to do them in Dutch buckets or something, because the root ball on these tomato plants, now these tomato plants are going to go up, and I'm going to take and prune them to where this time I'm only going to about 6 foot high. I've had them get away from me and go clear to the ceilings, into my grow lights and everything else. This year I'm trying to do this without any grow lights and see what happens, because it jacked my electricity bill up to over $300 a month. And believe me, you can't eat that many tomatoes to make that worthwhile. Okay, I've got this bottle that I fill with my nutrient, and all you need to do is put your fingers over it, just stick it there and drop it in. No fuss, no muss. You might get a drop or two out of there, but that's it. That's all it takes to feed that downspout now for another day or two. Okay, what I wanted to show you in here is on this wall, it's just been done with that Mylar blanket. And if I remember right, I used 2 of them to do this whole chamber. And it does the whole reflective thing for me. You can see here that my temperature in there right now, we're running 35% humidity and 71.4 on the temp. Now these lights have a temperature of about 77 degrees. That UFO light that I have in the other room has a running temperature of around 134 degrees. So if you want extra heat along with the light, those UFO lights at about $40 will take and do a big area. You know, that one light could light up this whole chamber. So I hope that helps. And you can see here that this particular chamber we've got here, we keep fresh basil growing in here that the wife cuts and uses as she needs it. And then this is our seed starting. We've got our microgreens there. I've got some Swiss chard here just starting that I want to move out there into the tubs. And we also have some sunflower seeds going there. Okay, that's going to do it. I'll catch you on the next one.